Okay, Google has done it again, and I'm reading this officially from their X account. This is a post they made on X, and they said, starting today, you can create 10 videos at no cost in Gemini until 11:59 p.m. PT on August 4th, 2026. Just select create video in the tools menu to create, edit, and remix videos to bring your ideas to life. Share how you're using Gemini or Gemini Omni in the replies. And they made this post on X on the 29th of July 2026 at exactly 9:26 p.m. Now, what this means is you can create free videos using Google Omni, just 10 videos though from now till August 4th, 2026. That's about, I'm recording this video on the 31st of July, so you just have about 4 days to do this. Now, to achieve this, you go into your Google Omni account. If you're making use of your laptop, you can just search for Google Omni here, or if you're making use of your phone, you just type Google Omni. Now, in the past, there were features like this. Of course, you could upload files, you could add from Drive, you could create image, and you could create music, but you were unable to create videos on the free account. You can only do that on the paid account. But now you can create a video, and this is making use of Omni Flash. So you have 10 generations on each account. It's not 10 generations per day, please. It's 10 generations on each account. So you can create 10 videos on each Google account until the 4th of August 2026. So this is something you should try out. I got to find out about it yesterday. I was having a class and I was on a free account then. I said, why is my free account allowing me to create videos? And later on, I saw the updates that Google had given free accounts. In fact, giving everybody, or let me just say free accounts, because free accounts you're unable to create. With a free account, you can create videos and you have 10 creations on each account. So this is something you should try out. And on that thing you should try out is click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment in the comment section. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.